that the messes that are in the judiciary were to be corrected. They will be corrected under the leadership of Governor Isaac Ruto. Mr. Speaker, much has been said about Governor Isaac Ruto, but Mr. Speaker, Isaac Ruto is an illustrious Kipsigis son and a darling of the people of Bomet and Kericho County, Mr. Speaker, and therefore this is a very consequential appointment to our community. Mr. Speaker, I beg to support.
Yes, Haika. Honorable Haika.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, for also giving me this opportunity. And from the onset, I also want to support the report. I want to support the two nominees. And I also want to speak about Isaac Ruto, having known him for some time. I know he brings a wealth of experience, and being the first chairperson of the Council of Governors and the governor of Bomet as well, we know he's up to the task, and therefore, Mr. Speaker, I support the report and I support it. Thank you very much.
Edith Nyenze.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving me this opportunity to support the two nominees, Caroline Zilani and Isaac Ruto. First of all, I support the nomination because there is gender balance. There is in the nomination of the two, there is gender balance, and therefore I support. Again, I support because Caroline Zilani is a professional who has done who was end of human resource management, and therefore it brings on the table the most management of the most important asset, which is human resource, or human is the most